Place for a numeric value without changing the actual number. Let's see, suppose you have a number like this and you don't want to see all these decimal places, so you can reduce it by clicking on the home tab, and you can use this number function. Okay, so number group, inside the number group you can see here the increased decimal and the decreased decimal option is present. So if you click in the decreased decimal, you can see the decimal places are decreasing from this cell. If you want to increase the decimal places, you can increase as per your requirement. So I can show you another ways by which you can also increase and decrease the decimal places. Okay, so for this, just click on Ctrl 1 or just right click inside the cell, okay, and click on Format Cell. A pop-up window will come. See, my Excel is not responding. See the window and just select the number. So number is already selected. You can see the decimal places is already showing 2. So you can decrease or you can increase as per your requirement by clicking this button. You can also use the thousand separator by checking this box. Okay, so if I don't want to see any decimal places, you can see I have make it 0, so it will not show any kind of decimal places. But actually if you see the formula bar, you can see that the number has not been changed. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button for more updates on SQL, Excel and VBA.